Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a unique product that will certainly appeal to all DIY enthusiasts and crafters out there. We found the KISREL Resin Molds Kit, which includes an impressive set of silicone molds specifically designed for flower preservation and more. You can find the link in the description below to check for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the KISREL Resin Molds Kit? This kit features 3 large silicone molds along with 6 smaller molds, making it a versatile addition to your crafting supplies. The molds include geometric shapes like a large hexagon and a square heart, allowing you to unleash your creativity. With these molds, you can easily create beautiful resin products that are perfect for both decorative and functional purposes. Let's take a closer look at some of the standout features of this kit. Firstly, the molds are made from high-quality silicone, which offers excellent elasticity and strong tear resistance. This means they're not only durable but also easy to work with. The flexibility of the silicone allows for easy release of your resin creations once they are fully cured. And when it comes to cleanup, the molds are a breeze to maintain. You can simply wash them with soap and water or use tape to remove any residue before storing them away from sunlight and dust. One of the key benefits of the KISREL Resin Molds Kit is its ease of use. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, these molds are designed to simplify the resin casting process. Just make sure to keep the molds clean before use, and you'll find that the resin releases without any hassle. This accessibility makes it an excellent choice for those looking to explore the world of resin art without feeling overwhelmed. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you enjoy crafting or are interested in creating personalized gifts, home decor, or unique storage solutions, this resin molds kit is perfect for you. It caters to a wide range of skill levels, from hobbyists just starting out to seasoned crafters looking to expand their repertoire. Additionally, it's great for anyone who wishes to preserve flowers or other small items in resin, turning them into timeless keepsakes. Speaking of practical uses, the possibilities with the KISREL molds are endless. You can create stunning coasters that not only serve a functional purpose but also add a touch of elegance to your home. Imagine making personalized pen holders for your office or unique flower pots to showcase your green thumb. The geometric shapes allow for creative ornamentation, and you can even use these molds to make colorful decorative pieces for parties or special occasions. The versatility of this kit makes it an indispensable tool for anyone who enjoys crafting. In summary, the KISREL Resin Molds Kit is a fantastic option for anyone looking to delve into the world of resin crafting. With its high-quality materials, ease of use, and wide array of applications, it's a kit that can inspire creativity and produce beautiful results. Whether you're making gifts, decorations, or simply enjoying a new hobby, this product has something to offer for everyone. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.